Hello everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Tech Infosys. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue of WeChat not working properly. Keep watching the video till the end. To fix the issue of WeChat not working properly, firstly, go ahead and launch open your settings application. On the search bar, look for WeChat application by typing WeChat and make a search. Tap on the application shown from the search result. On the next page, click on Storage and Cache option. Now all you need to do is clear cache and storage by tapping on Clear Cache and Clear Storage option. Confirm clearing the storage or app data by tapping on Delete once again. This application's data, including files and settings, will be permanently deleted from the device once you clear the storage. After you're done with all this process, it will automatically fix your WeChat's not working issue in no time. This is how you can fix the issue of WeChat not working properly quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for further updates. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, just go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Feel free to comment down any suggestions or improvements to be made to our channel by commenting on the comment box. We will be looking forward to upload more content or tutorials for the upcoming video for your convenience. Thank you so much for watching.